Hi friends, this is Afsar, School and English, ZPHS Nararipuram. Today, our students are going to learn about preposition through actions. How can we make children to understand easily regarding prepositions? Thank you.
My name is Gunadeshwari. My name is Chandana. My name is Sutuja. Today we are going to discuss preposition.
Farm. My dear girls, now in ante lopala and next out ante baita. Very good. Nageshwari, you come aside. Now beside ante eviti prakkana. Very good. Next behind ante venakala. Very good. Next in front of ante eviti mundu. Next okay, again farm. ఇప్పుడు ఓవర్ అనే వర్డ్ చేయాలి. వర్డ్ ఓవర్. వెరీ గుడ్.